What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I hold a lot of cryptocurrencies, right? I mean, a ton. Some where you can look at my Kraken portfolio and say I've invested $5 into many different cryptocurrencies to see how they flow over time. Some that may get delisted, some that might not get delisted, and some that might absolutely flourish, especially when we see altcoin season actually happen. But with all of the cryptocurrencies that I do have and the different levels of profit that I want to make, I love to focus on a couple of projects that I really enjoy. Really enjoy talking about. Other people ask a lot of questions on, and things that I'm going to make the most money or have the most profit. Now, um, I have three cryptocurrencies that I talk about a lot. And you probably, if you have watched this channel, it's not hard to guess what three cryptocurrencies I'm going to bring up. But they do flow across multiple areas within the crypto market. Not necessarily like sectors saying like AI or metaverse or transaction-based currencies. Nothing really like that. It's more about utility, something that has speculation but has utility, as well as something that has more speculation, a lot of popularity with the potential utility and the larger amount of potential with the risk associated with it. So I want to talk about these three projects and how I'm going to be a multi-millionaire from them or make multiple millions of dollars from them. But that's because I believe in them heavily. And there is nobody on this earth that will be able to talk me out of what I'm investing into and what my strategy is. Now, since I did say that, understand that this is my strategy. I don't expect you to do the same thing because you do not have the same mindset as me. You are not going to think the same way as me. You do not make the same level of investments as well as the same decisions that I'm going to make after the fact, right? So if that is the case, you cannot expect the same level of returns. So make sure you are forming your own opinion, your own investments, and making your own moves because it really does help you out in the end. When I'm not here or somebody else isn't here, you can make your own decisions and say, I'm confident that this is going to work. I don't care what anybody else says. You're confident that this is going to work. So before we get started, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out the video sponsor, iTrustCapital. They're doing something great with cryptocurrency that you don't get in any other platform. You're able to have a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA if you want to sign up for it. A traditional IRA or Roth IRA will benefit you in more ways than an exchange will benefit you. If you are making money from taxes or making money from a position, you're going to have to pay taxes accordingly. And if you have a traditional IRA or Roth IRA, they're either deferred or they're eliminated completely, right? So you don't have to pay those taxes or you pay the taxes later on, meaning that you can make money from the taxes that you would eventually have to pay on an exchange, right? You would have to pay it every single year. However, in a traditional IRA, you can let it go 10, 20 years and then still make money from those taxes as you move along. Now, in the end, you will end up paying those taxes, but you'll be able to make so much more by having that extra funds in there to consistently compound. So anyways, feel free to check it out. The link will be down there in the description. I have an account. I have a Roth IRA account that I will consistently add something to. You're going to see I have XRP, Link, ADA, and there are many other assets that you can choose from in iTrustCapital, right? So definitely go ahead and check them out. Give them a look. The link will be at the top of the description as well as the top of the comment section. But again, I have multiple cryptocurrencies in my possession, and there's three that I talk about the most. You can probably guess them, maybe even in order if you have watched my channel before. The first one that I want to talk about is XRP. I think XRP is going to be the largest cryptocurrency in the crypto market, right? You can quote me on it. You can come back to it whenever you want. I believe that XRP will not only be the largest cryptocurrency in the market, but will be worth multiple trillions of dollars. We're talking about maybe even 10 plus trillion dollars. XRP just makes sense. Everything else in the market, it doesn't make as much sense as XRP. Those do have their own ways of moving and making their moves and being usable. But XRP is what we all want cryptocurrency to be. When you explain cryptocurrency, you'll be like, all right, I'm going to use this digital currency to buy something with. XRP is that. It makes it so simple, easy, secure, everything we want, as well as being a US-based cryptocurrency. It's all that we want, right? They're in the governmental conversations. They're in the conversations with banks, with businesses, right? Like they are doing huge things with Ripple and with XRP, with the XRPL. So I am 100%, this is me being 150,000% sure that XRP will be worth more than Bitcoin, more than Ethereum, more than BNB, and many others that are in the market because of what XRP stands for and where it is, where it was created, all of the above. That's why I have a lot in XRP. It is my best play, my favorite play, and I talk about it consistently, pretty much every single day. And I believe I'm going to be able to make a lot of money from it, make multiple millions of dollars because of how much I do have, as well as how much success XRP is going to have in the future. My next play is JasmyCoin. Again, you probably could have guessed it. JasmyCoin is one of those that you look at it and it's like data, data, data. We all care about data. We all want to control. We all want to be in control of our own data. It's a cryptocurrency that has virtually all of their supply that's out there, so there's no dilution. We officially hit 100,000 holders, which I do want to talk about maybe in another video. You have millions of dollars. It has a lot of popularity, and we see many people that are not only talking about it, but believing in it just as much as I am. It is a cryptocurrency that's not worth as much as like an XRP, but it still is worth a $219 million market cap with a lot of potential use in the future. So it's less on just the popularity, but more on what this can be used for and how much this will flood the market and be just putting itself or implementing itself within certain situations, certain countries, certain businesses. And it's just going to be very interesting as we move forward. That's my feeling for JasmyCoin. The last position I want to bring to the table is one that has a lot more speculation, a lot more risk, which is Terra Luna Classic. It is all based on if we can see the recovery of the chain, the repegging of USTC, the burning of the supply. If we can see all of that stuff, it is like we're hyper focusing on that, and that has to happen in order to see this thing blow up. So it's a huge risk to invest a decent amount of money in. At least I didn't invest a lot of money. I only invested $43 into it, and it turned to thousands of dollars already. And I expect it to turn to 10 or hundreds or even millions of dollars as we move forward. That's what my mindset is around this. There's a lot of speculation, but there's also a huge community. This is the only community-driven coin that's out there, the community-driven chain that we have all wanted to be able to have a choice on how we see this flourish or fall. We control all of that because it is community-driven. Proposals, right? What we come up with, what we vote on, what we get done, how much we burn, and honestly controlling everything, even to a point where Binance made a decision on burning Terra Luna Classic, and we, as the community, not saying I voted on that, I would never, but we decided that we would take what they burned and we would remint that because we control the situation. Even though I didn't want to do that, and it was shown that that was the wrong decision because now they don't burn as much as what they did. But still, it shows that we can ultimately impact the chain as much as we want, do whatever we want with this as long as everybody votes with it. So it is truly community driven, and that's what I love about it. Now, with these, I have a total of 200,000 XRP. I have 3 million JasmyCoin. I have 100 million Terra Luna Classic. With all of those being set, as we see growth, no matter what happens with them, I'm still going to be able to make multiple millions of dollars from them. That's what I'm seeing. However, if everything goes perfectly as planned, I could make tens of millions of dollars from all of these. So, and then at a max level, I can make hundreds of millions, but I don't really need that. And if I did, I would definitely give a lot back, not only to the communities, but to my community in real life, not necessarily just like, the Terra Luna class community or Jasmy community or XRP community. I'm talking about people that are struggling on the street, people that have a tough time feeding their family, people that don't have anywhere to sleep at night, like that type of help. All types, as much as I can. So anyways, so I hope I do make hundreds of millions, because if I do, 90 to 95% of it is going directly to helping my community, and any other community that I can reach. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about these plays. I have a lot more in my portfolio. Don't get me wrong. Like I have AVAX, I have ADA, I have YFI, I have many other things that I also see can blow up and be worth a lot more. But these are the ones that I primarily focus on in a lot of videos that we have. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll check you guys in the next one. See ya.